Hey guys, let's unbox my new ring light together. Okay, I want a new ring light. Yay, finally. Yes, let's unbox it together. My whole one got broken. Okay, as a content creator, you have to have a ring light. Okay. Let's go. Let's take it out from the bag. Okay, like this. What else is inside the bag? This is the stand. Guess. Is there anything else? And the manuals. Let's throw this one somewhere there. This is just the manual. Okay, I have to be nice and gently. Oh, whoa, it's so wide. It is 21 inches. Yeah, to be gentle, I don't want to break it. And there's this one inside the box too. I don't know what is that. Let's put this one here. Let's see what's inside this place. I guess these are the accessories. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are the accessories. This is the plug. Oh, it comes with a remote. And this one also. This one. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Let's put this one here. This is the stand. Let's go ahead and let's see. Okay. Let's go to stand like this. And I guess, okay. Okay, wait to lock it. All right. And this is the head. We're just gonna put it in here. Oh, it's very easy to put together. Okay, let's see. Oh, do I have to? Oh, okay. I have to take this screw off. And put it up here. And I screw it together. That's gonna lock it up. Oh, this is huge. Whoa. It's so tall. Let me adjust it so that you guys can see it. Bring it down a little bit. Okay. Let's take the AC adapter. That's what it's called. Okay. I hope it works very good. And this is going to be my third ring light that I'm buying. They always end up breaking. Okay. I think just going to plug it back here. Let's take this one off. I like the wideness. This one is 21 inches here. Okay. Then I'm just going to plug it here. Okay. What else? This one goes in here. excited, like my hand is shaking. I can't wait to on this thing. Yay! Ever since then, my video has been so dark. No good quality videos. Okay, I'm just gonna close this one here. Okay, you get this is the remote, and it's like a selfie remote. Okay, let's on it, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's on it. This is the on and off button. Yay! What? If you want to dim it, or the color, it changes color too. Okay. All right. Off and on. Whoa! This is so nice. I love it. And it's so lightweight. It's not heavy at all. I just like the wideness. So wide. And this is the remote. It's like, yes. Yay! Yes, my phone. Here's my other phone. Let's see. Let's try it out. Let's plug up my phone first. Okay, guys. Here you can adjust it. All right, we have a ring light. We have a ring light. Oh, it's so big compared to the old one. Okay, I'll show you guys the old ones. The old one that got broken. I have 3 ring lights that is not working, and there's another little small one there. Oh, this one is so nice. I like the stand. The stand is so strong. Yeah, it's not skinny at all. It's so strong. Okay, let me place it like this so that, hold on, just 1 minute. All right, guys, the ring light is on. This is me using the ring. Wow, it's so bright. Can you guys see the difference? The difference is so clear. Yay! I can't wait to use it tomorrow on my live video. Yes, I got a new ring light. Wow, it's so huge compared to the old one. The old one is 18 inches. Yeah, let me show you guys the old one. This is the old one. Yeah, this is the old one. This is 18 inches. This is the old one compared to that. That is 21 inches. That one is so big. You see the old one? And I have another one too in the basement that's not working too. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I love it. I like it. I like it. I like it. And look at the bag that comes with it. And it's very affordable, guys. It's so pretty. Okay, guys. Bye. Make sure to like, comment, share. I appreciate every one of you. Bye. Look at the background. It's so clear. Let me off the other light. Okay. I off the regular light. It's still bright anyway. It's still bright. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Make sure to like and share. Join my live video tomorrow. If you want to work out with me live every day, Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, make sure to follow me. Okay. Bye. Got a new light.